Welcome to An Tech Update YouTube channel. Today's video. Exciting news for WhatsApp users. Edit messages within 15 minutes. Mark Zuckerberg, the founder and CEO of Meta, shared the much-awaited update for WhatsApp users on his Facebook page. The messaging platform now allows billions of users to edit their messages within 15 minutes of sending them. Zuckerberg posted a screenshot to showcase the new feature, stating, "You can now edit your WhatsApp messages up to 15 minutes after they're sent." The official Twitter account of the Meta-owned platform also confirmed the news, stating, "It's here. Message editing is rolling out now. You now get up to 15 minutes after sending a message to edit it. So you don't have to worry if you mess it up," accompanied by a video demonstrating the editing process. According to the WhatsApp blog post, the editing feature has been globally rolled out and will be available for use in the coming weeks. This long-awaited feature will help users correct any misspellings or mistakes in their messages. To edit sent messages. First, long press on the message you want to edit. Then select Edit from the drop-down menu. Make the necessary changes and see the magic happen. Please note that messages can only be edited within 15 minutes after sending them. Edited messages will be marked with an edited tag, indicating that corrections were made. However, the edit history will not be visible to the recipient. While competitors like Telegram and Signal already offer message editing, Twitter introduced this feature to select users last year. In addition to this update, WhatsApp recently introduced a new feature called Chat Lock, enabling users to secure their private conversations with an extra layer of security. By locking a chat, the conversation is moved to a separate folder that can only be accessed with the device password or biometrics. The content of locked chats is also hidden in notifications. To lock a chat, simply tap the name of the one-to-one or group chat and select the lock option. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more updates.